For the last 10 plus years, Somalia has been kind of a continuous loop Mad Max movie.
In this camp, I am the Sultan, and you will listen to me.
If you want to call me a mercenary and I can stop every single conflict in the world, I would take that job tomorrow morning.
I've been in 3 wars and I've probably been associated with at least 6 or 7 coup d'etats.
If you're arming a force in Somalia, this is a threat to peace and security.
We are not American. If we are European organization, all the world, they care about us.
Why is a private organization doing this? Because nobody else is.
What do I think the chances are? 50-50.
Is there a name for this operation?
It's just the project.